In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a collage on Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then swipe to the right to bring up story camera. Now guys, all you have to do is just hit at that layout icon, and then if you want you can change that grid. You can tap where it says change grid and then select a different one, like that one for example. That splits the screen into 3 different parts, and you can place a photo in each of that parts. You can whether take a photo or upload some from your camera roll. So let me upload some photo, let it be that one. Then also you can, if you don't like that photo, you can delete it by hitting at trash icon, and then also you can take a picture just like that. And also if you want you can flip your camera, and then in the same way let me find something that I can use as an object, and then you can just take another picture, and basically your photo collage is already done. So now you can hit at that check mark icon, and then you can continue creating that story as you usually do. You can add there some text, some stickers, some effects, filters. You can add some music at the background, all that stuff that you usually do while creating an Instagram story. Once you've done with that, hit at that arrow icon and then just share this story with your followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.